Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Maria Monica Cito the Big and nice to meet you. So today is Max's third birthday and I'm going to celebrate about his birthday today. And check this out. Thank you. Ito po siya guys, oh. Max! Hi Max! Okay guys, ito siya po. Ready na kami lumabas. Baka lang maglakad muna ito. Hi Max! Max! Okay guys, ito na siya po ngayon. Bagong gupit lang si Max after ko siya pag-grooming. Tingnan mo po siya ngayon. Hi Max! Max, happy birthday! Cute ka ba? Mamaya may surprise ako sa iyo para sa birthday mo. Magbo-blow ka bang birthday cake, Max? Mamaya ulit.